Now we will talk about emulsification or emulsification technology because I've been hearing every single time the saying, it's not what you eat, it is what you absorb. That is where emulsification technology comes in. The process comes in where emulsification breaks down large nutrient molecules, especially fats, into tiny, easily absorbable particles. Why does that matter? Because your body, our body, my body, can't fully use nutrients that are too large or poorly absorbed. You see, emulsification mimics how our body, your body, naturally digests fats, making nutrients more bioavailable, which means ready for your cells to absorb and use. Sounds good, right? This means that it gives out faster results, greater effectiveness, and no waste. Emulsification technology transforms nutrition from simply taking a capsule to actually making and feeling the difference as soon as it can reach the part that it needs the difference. Sounds good, right?